you guys doing? I'm Andy, Mighty Soldier Trades.
I'm Sarah.
And today was a great day, plus 2.11% on the entire account.
Yep.
Yesterday was 0.35% on the entire account.
Yep.
Yeah, that kind of... Basically, I decided that I was going to do something stupid yesterday. I told everybody that what I was doing before I even did it, that I'm trading the news on this stock. Turns out, more research on this news, it's not even the news that I thought it was. It never is.
No, it never is.
The second trading day of January, I started off trading the news. Big loss this year. 3 weeks later, traded the news. Big loss that day. And not a big loss this time, but still, just got to learn my lesson on this.
Yeah, definitely.
A lot of times this news comes through on the squawk, and or comes through anywhere basically, and you read real quick that there's money in this news. Money in this news is always a good thing, right? And then find out that this is not actually what you think it is.
Right.
It's some other company that has some sort of grant that they're going to get paid like $1 per year for the next 2,500 years. You know, and up to $1 billion.
Yeah, up to $1 billion.
Yeah, something like that.
Paid in, separately.
And I'm just going to go fast here with this. TTOO, coronavirus, another coronavirus play.
Yeah,
the news was that they're a quick, rapid, right?
Yeah, rapid novel coronavirus test developed by the Center of Discovery and Innovation at Hackensack Meridian Health.
Yeah, so another one of these, and it worked out really great for the moment, but these corona plays, they're not what everybody thinks they are.
Yeah, it seems like they like dying off a little bit, because we hear it, and then the news that comes out again on it is either the same as it was, or I don't know.
I mean, it's probably the same as these companies that make like your pH test. Basically, it's probably the same as that. I mean, these people are printing like billions and billions of these little sheets of paper.
Yeah.
Probably big sheets of paper that they cut up into little pieces of paper or something, or however they make them. It's probably pretty simple, and it likely doesn't make them that much money, producing these things.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if it was CODX, but one of them was going to charge $10 per test. So.
Yeah, and then like another thing like CODX and stuff. Some of these stocks have non-disclosure agreements, so you don't have any idea what's really going on right now, because perhaps the CDC, needs a veil there. I don't know, whatever it is, whoever they sign it with, you don't really know what's going on behind the scenes. So you can't really trade something if you don't know how much profit they're making on these things.
Right.
That's why we trade the price action around here, and that's why I don't like to trade the news. And whenever I do trade the news, I get all quiet because I have to start thinking really hard on how I'm going to hedge this loss and how I'm going to manage this risk and make sure that I don't impact my account with my ignorance and stupidity.
Right.
So, and then what else? CHFS?
Yep. This was another coronavirus play. They announced that COVID-19 patients have been treated with Aqueduct therapy for fluid management.
Yes, I mean, that sounds cool. Some sort of water therapy or something to maybe help break up the stuff in people's lungs, or...
Yeah.
I know that one thing, like a lot of the elderly, they're laying in bed for too long. They'll end up getting pneumonia from from congestive heart failure, more than likely. And if you're moving around a lot, you're less likely to have this problem. So maybe there's something they can do while people are in the hospital weak and have their fever and everything. They can control their fever, control their temperature, and at the same time, get whatever that movement is, whatever that action that we need to break this stuff up and get it moving out of our system.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a scientist with this kind of stuff. And BOXL, this is on the no trade list usually.
Yeah, but they had news today that they reported a national distribution deal with D&H Distribution. And
no details disclosed.
Yeah, no details disclosed.
Yeah, it's like, how often do we hear this with TBLT?
A lot.
Okay, we got this sort of deal over here, but no details disclosed. It's like, so what? Have you sold like one tool belt? I mean, what's going on with this?
Yeah, how many tool belts have we sold here? Just two?
XSPA was the winner of the day.
Yeah, they also had news, but their news was they announced a partnership with Relevant Healthcare.
Yeah, so I mean, they had some pretty decent news earlier, and just things started just ripping and kept going up.
Yeah.
And honestly, I just kept grabbing small positions and selling it rather quickly, and it was getting me over 10% on most of my trades.
Yeah, it was.
So, I mean, that was awesome. So, whoever that is, I love them, and I want to trade that every day. That was amazing. CODX, another garbage COVID-19 test kit play. Big, huge pullback. Starts popping today for the first time. This stock is not the nicest when it comes to price action.
Yeah, and I know it came across like news, but basically it wasn't new news. It was just a a press release that was issued by an investor relations company highlighting that it was reiterated as a buy with a $20 price target by H.C. Wainwright. And that was like last week, so.
Right. Yeah. I don't believe in anything when it comes to penny stocks. I don't care if it's upgraded to $1 million.
Yeah, those upgrades. I've seen so many stocks being upgraded to whatever, and they never reach that. Not penny stocks.
And if they do reach it, I'm up. They see me, I'm down.
Exactly.
Every time.
So those price targets, I just think are funny. Oh, they came up with another price target. Half the time, it doesn't move on that news anyway. So.
And then CDTX, we sold that today. That was really slow. No momentum, but it was slowly creeping up. I mean, it could turn into something. It had some sort of COVID-19 news before, I believe.
Yeah, I think so.
And I don't even know anymore. I don't care. And VISL, though. VISL, I'm trying to keep my eyes on that one. That one really looks like it's getting ready for something. It looks like it's really getting ready to pop. It's pretty low to the bottom right now. And there's not much damage that it could even do at this point. I mean, being where it's at. So I wouldn't mind grabbing some of that maybe or watching it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so
especially if they give me a nice pullback, which over here it is on a pullback right now. So I might actually grab some of that and just hold it and wait for a pop.
Could be a good idea.
Swing trading penny stocks. Who
yes. Sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't.
Most of the time they don't.
Right.
Yeah, I'm up, they see me, I'm down. So anyways, guys, and on the options front, there's not really much going on except for I'm learning a lot about price action and options, and it is not the same as what I'm trading over here at all.
Nope. Not at all.
There's this thing called theta, time decay, something that really, really can take a toll on you in your options trades, especially if you're crazy and you're buying options that are expiring like today or this Friday or something like that, which I am. I like
they worked out though.
That's the power and the possibilities with options. Like, it is insane when you see a contract that you can get for a penny. And next thing you know, it's trading at 98 cents. That was Intelsat just the other day. I ended up getting it at 5 and selling it at 30 cents. But if I would have been quicker to the buy, I could have got it. Well, actually, I think that was in a 5-cent increment, so no, I couldn't have got it cheaper. But I could have sold it at like 95 cents. That would have been really amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
And my SPY trades, same thing. If it's predictable enough with big enough movement, these things can do so well. It's insane, but. On the other hand, if you buy these things and you're trying to build a position, so, okay, I'm going to grab a hold of this, because a lot of these times with penny stocks, I have to grab a hold of it with a small position, and then I work on it from there. It's like riding a bull. I've said that before. But, I have to actually get more at different positions and stuff in order to work my position to get me where I need to be and get out of there and be done. But with options trade, I can grab it at 20 cents, and I'm like, okay, wow, it pulled back to 11 cents. So cool. I'm going to grab me some at 11 cents. First of all, if it's on the bid, it's not going to fill me. There's no way they're going to fill me and help me to build a better position. And then, so I'm like, okay, it's on the ask. I'm going to get it at 11 cents. As soon as I hit 11 cents, boom, 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 6 cents on the ask. It's every single time. Unless the price action is working in your favor in a really, really valid way, these things, it's in the nature of them. It's written in the law of options, basically, that this is exactly what's going to happen.
Yeah.
So it's not manipulation. It's actually what options are and how they trade.
Yeah.
And, you can call it manipulation, but there's nothing wrong with what's happening there because that's what they're supposed to do.
Right.
Are they supposed to do it at that particular time? No. Good question.
Right.
Anyways, guys, great having you in the chat today, in the live stream. Thank you for providing value every single day. You guys are awesome.
Awesome.
And we'll see you again tomorrow.
Yep.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, share it, pass it along, whatever. We'll continue to try to put stuff out here. And if I can stop getting these junk news plays, I think we'll be doing really good around here.
Right.
So, see you next time. Thanks.
Thanks. Check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.